Wait lang ah. Tama ba to? Create. Wait lang ah. So, yan, no? Ang lalim pala ng ibig sabihin nito, no, mga Aquarius. So, ngayon lang din ako nakapag-ano na to. So, you are this, no? Your inner strength is this creatrix, no? Hindi siya creative, but then same as creative then, but has a deeper deeper meaning, no, when it comes to spirituality, no. For some of you, no, Aquarius, no, so maybe you are so connected with the divine, no, something like that, no. So ang sinasabi dito, no, with this, no, creatrix, no, so you are this creatrix, no. So a woman who is a deeply woman or man, no, but then this is a woman, no, a woman who is a deeply connected to herself as a woman or and the feminine source of creative power, no. So she gives rise to desires, gives birth to ideas and life of all kinds. She dreams courageously and trusts so deeply in the intrinsic co-creative, no, connection she shares with the divine and the natural world, no. So you are this so powerful, no, sabi. So ang ganda ng meaning, no, mga Aquarius, no. So grabe, no, parang you are this so powerful that you are a co-creation with the divine, no. Parang you have this deep connection with the divine that you can create, you are this, parang you have this, because maybe for some of you, Aquarius, you are so you are so highly spiritual, no, individual, no, something like that, no. Kumbaga with that, sobrang yung faith mo kay God, no, with the divine, no, sobrang yung faith mo is talagang napaka-deep, no, something like that. And with that, you can co-create, no, parang ikaw na yung mismong co-creator ng iyong sarili, no. So parang kumaga binibigyan ka na, you have this the will na to make your own destiny, no, something like that, no, mga Aquarius, no. So kumaga ikaw na yung nagke-create ng iyong sariling destiny, no, parang 'di ba, with the deep